welcome to the next video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to exercise. Because you guys need to really learn how to get those muscles going. I'm here with my assistant, Cheesy. I don't know if this is a good idea, but I'm just going to sit here. Right. Anyway, thanks, and I'm going to show you some of the newest, coolest, 2015-iest moves. Let's get this started. Now, in the back, we have our Cheesy, our buddy, and we're going to start with weights.
Can I get in the camera?
Yeah, whatever. Anyway, we're gonna begin. Sorry, getting distracted by that guy over there. Yeah, you. Anyway, so let's get this started. Now, first, we're gonna get one of these weights. Hold on. Now, since the weight was too heavy, I'm gonna let Cheesy do it, since he's the guy who's supposed to do this show, and, well, I'm pretty fit for this. Go ahead, Cheesy. Yeah! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cheesy? Cheesy! Okay, guys, we're gonna have to take him for a minute. Hold on. Okay, so after about 5 hours, he woke up, and he's in the bathroom checking himself out. Sooner or later, you guys will be able to check him out. Oh, wait! Oh! Here he comes right now! Here comes Mr. Big Man! Oh, sorry, I'm upside down. Here comes Mr. Big Man! Come on out, Cheesy! Is this normal? I feel skinny. Oh my gosh. What's wrong with me? Well, that's it, guys. We got him all exercised. Yeah. I don't feel regular. I don't think this is regular. Okay, guys, we're gonna just stay tuned for the next episode. Take him to a hospital. This isn't normal.